What if you could create thumbnails, social media graphics, cinematic artwork, or even product visuals without leaving your video editor? Well, now you can. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. In Filmora, you get a built-in AI image generator. That means you can type an idea, choose your model, set your resolution, and generate original images directly inside Filmora. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works, the best prompt examples, when to use each AI model, and how to turn your AI images into actual videos. Where to find AI image generator? First, open Filmora. On the top panel, go to Stock Media. Then click AI Media and choose AI Image. This opens your AI image workspace. You'll see your prompt box, model selector, resolution settings, aspect ratio controls, and generate button. Choose your AI model. Filmora currently gives you multiple AI image models. Nano Banana 2, great for fast image generation and general creative work. Let's create an image with Nano Banana 2. Here is the prompt. A futuristic city at night. Neon signs, rainy streets, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed. And here is your AI-generated image. Look at the details. This model is perfect for thumbnails, YouTube visuals, mood shots, and social content. Nano Banana Pro. This gives better reasoning, stronger details, and more realistic results. Here is the prompt. A luxury smartwatch on a black reflective surface. Studio lighting, product photography, premium commercial style. And here is your AI-generated image. Look at the details, crisp and clear image. This model works really well for product ads, branding, and commercial visuals. Standard 2.0. This is ideal for stylized art and creative concepts. Here is the prompt. Anime warrior standing on a mountain cliff during sunset. Dramatic clouds, fantasy art, highly detailed. And here is your AI-generated image. Great for storytelling, gaming content, or artistic scenes. Settings that matter. Resolution. You can choose 1080p for fastest, perfect for social content. 1440p for sharper, better for thumbnails. 2160p for highest quality, ideal for professional projects. Aspect ratio. Choose based on your project. 16:9. YouTube videos, cinematic visuals. 9:16. Reels, shorts, TikTok. 1:1. Instagram posts, ads, product graphics. If I'm creating a YouTube thumbnail, I'd choose Nano Banana Pro, 1440p and 16:9. Real use cases. YouTube creators create custom thumbnails, scene cutaways, and storytelling visuals. Product marketing. Generate product mockups, ad visuals, and campaign graphics. Gaming creators. Make cinematic intros, fantasy characters, or scene artwork. Social media. Generate eye-catching posts, reels covers, and brand visuals. Turn images into videos. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Once your AI image is generated, you can drag it directly into Filmora's AI image to video generator and transform a static image into a cinematic commercial video. So one prompt doesn't just create an image, it can become an entire video. So whether you're creating thumbnails, social content, product visuals, or cinematic scenes, Filmora's AI image generator makes it ridiculously easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!